All right, so we're diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency today, and looks like you've been trying to figure out how to handle a bear market.
Bear market's a good one.
Yeah, and specifically, even IS, but also like how to keep your cool.
How to not go crazy
when everyone else is losing their minds.
Yeah, and that's a wise thing to be focused on because emotional decisions in a volatile market rarely end well.
Yeah, and it's interesting because like we're looking at some articles here about navigating a bear market.
Yeah,
and I think one of the biggest takeaways that I'm seeing over and over again is this idea of like not panic selling.
Don't panic sell. Yeah,
it's so easy to just see the numbers going down and just be like, oh my God, I got to get out of here.
It's human nature.
Yeah, it's like seeing everyone run for the exits. It's like a fire alarm's going off. I don't even know if there's a fire, but
everybody's running.
Everybody's running, so I'm running too.
Right, we have these instincts, they're kind of baked into us. And it's like you said, when everybody else is panicking, our instinct is to panic too.
Yeah.
But the thing to remember here is that like volatility is kind of baked into crypto. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. And seasoned investors, I think, see a bear market as an opportunity.
An opportunity? How? So, I mean, if everything's going down, like how is that an opportunity?
Well, because things are going down.
Okay.
Prices are lower.
I gotcha.
And so you can accumulate more assets for the same amount of investment.
So it's like a sale.
It's a sale, yeah.
Okay.
And you have to kind of zoom out and look at the long-term potential of whatever it is that you're investing in.
And that really goes back to having, like a well-defined investment strategy.
Absolutely.
Which you've mentioned a few times now. What does that actually look like?
So I think, it starts with understanding your risk tolerance.
Okay.
And your goals.
Yeah.
Like, are you in this for short-term gain?
Like, am I trying to make a quick buck?
Yeah. Are you trying to make a quick buck, or are you, looking at this as a long-term investment?
Gotcha.
And so, once you have a picture of that, then you can develop a plan that outlines, how much you're going to invest.
Okay.
And how you're going to, manage your portfolio over time.
So it's like having a roadmap.
It is like having a roadmap.
Even if the road is bumpy.
Exactly.
Where you want to go and
you know your destination.
Yeah, and you know why you're even on this road in the first place.
Right. And a good roadmap also helps you avoid, those impulsive decisions that are usually driven by fear or FOMO.
Oh yeah, fear of missing out.
Right.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
And it's tough because, especially in the crypto world, it's so easy to get caught up.
The crypto space is so noisy. Oh my gosh, it's like so noisy, and everyone's either like to the moon, or it's like the end of the world as we know it.
Yeah, apocalypse. It's like neither of those things are helpful.
Yeah, for clear-headed, thinking and decision making.
Limiting your exposure to that.
The noise.
Will help you stay grounded.
Okay.
And keep you focused on your own
plan,
your own strategy and goals.
So it's really about tuning out all that noise.
Tuning out the noise.
Okay, so we talked about not panic selling.
Yep.
Having an investment strategy and, ignoring the FOMO.
Mm-hmm.
What about this idea of like using a bear market as a time to learn?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Because I see that coming up a lot too.
When the hype dies down, this is when you can really start to focus on the fundamentals.
Okay.
Right? So this is a good time to research different projects, understand market cycles, learn about, maybe some new investment strategies.
It's like everyone else is freaking out.
And you're like hitting the books.
Learning, getting smarter.
Leveling up.
Yeah. And that's how you become, a more informed investor.
Right.
And make better decisions in the future.
So like, for example,
you could look at historical market data.
Okay.
See how different assets have performed in previous bear markets.
Okay.
And that can give you, some insights into potential patterns and help you identify opportunities.
Okay, cool. So, it seems like we've covered a lot here.
Yeah.
The big takeaways for navigating a crypto bear market are don't panic sell.
Don't panic.
Stick to your plan.
Stick to the plan.
Tune out all the noise.
Absolutely.
And then use this time to really deepen your understanding.
Yeah, use it to your advantage.
Of the market.
A bear market, it's a test of your conviction.
Okay.
If you believe in the, potential of this technology,
right,
and you have a sound strategy,
mm-hmm.
this is simply a phase to weather, and you can potentially even use it to your advantage.
Right. So if you really have that long-term perspective,
exactly,
it might not feel so scary.
It shouldn't.
Right.
It's just part of the cycle.
It's just part of the cycle.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, I think this has been a really helpful deep dive into, what can be a pretty scary topic.
Yeah.
But hopefully everybody listening feels a little more
prepared.
Yeah, prepared and a little bit less scared.
Yeah. And remember, knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
So the more you learn,
yeah,
the better off you'll be.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
And we'll catch you next time for another deep dive.
Sounds good.